Wasn't there for the first, but I was there for the second, and I will be there for the third, okay?
What you gonna...
Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is tobiokes, and if you're returning, welcome back. It is me. Don't mind my stitch in the back. I felt the need to have him with me, so yeah. He's just there for moral support because I don't have any of my other plushies. Like, I have them on my bed, but you guys can't see them because I always take them out of the shop. But I was like, I'm gonna leave you there. So for today's video, I will be doing a unboxing video, an unboxing slash review type of video. I ordered something that I feel like all of you should order, or if it might be too late actually, because by the time you guys are seeing this video, I don't know if it's sold out or not, but if not, then it's linked down below for you guys. But if it is, I'm sorry. Today I will be reviewing the Cosmetips x Patricia Bright collection. I did not get the version 1 collection. This is the second edit that she did. I decided to hop on it and buy it because I watched her video and I was like, I need that. And honestly, the way she advertised the things, it just made me want to have it. So I went ahead and I bought it. That's what we are going to be diving into today. If you would like to watch me unbox these items and review these items, then please continue watching. Don't forget to like this video right now. And I would like please make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on your post notifications so that you are notified whenever I post a new video. Sorry for this croaky voice situation as well. I don't know what's happening, but I'm going through it. Yeah, let's go. So I'm not going to lie, I have had this package for so long, but I haven't opened it because I wanted to open it with you guys. I didn't want to use any products from this collection, so that's why I'm here today. So first of all, it comes in this cute little drawstring. That's it. It comes in a cute little drawstring bag, and the material is actually so sturdy and it's very thick, so I could use this for other things, which I will be doing. It comes in this cute bag and it just says Cosmetips x Patricia Bright, and let's get into opening the bag. And if you are here watching my video and this is the first time that you're seeing my face, hello again. I just wanted to say that. I don't know why, but hello again. Oh, this is important. It says this bag is 100% cotton, compostable, printed using non-toxic REACH compliant inks. It says you can reuse it 5,000 plus times. And it says Cosmetips bag produced in collaboration with Bag of Ethics. I like that. I like this about this bag because it's still friendly to the environment, but it's giving luxury. So now let's get into the contents of the bag. I'm going to read the card that it came with, and we're going to get into this card so that we can get into the contents of the bag. I don't want to just go in. I want it to be how she intended it to be, like the layout. So we're going to see. So it comes with a little message here. Pause to read it. But I'm going to read it right now. Hey darlings, I'm so excited to finally show you guys what I've been working on. I'm just a girl who loves makeup and I can't wait for you all to see the items in this amazing edit. These are all beauty holy grails and I know there will be something for everyone in here. I explained a little bit about each item inside and why I love them. Thank you so much for all your support over the years. It does not go unnoticed. I really appreciate you guys. Let's be rich in colour and rich in life, darlings. I hope you enjoy the videos. Patricia XOXO. That's all it says. That's if I don't fast forward through that because I don't like my voice. So we'll see. So the first thing that she did give us is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Universal Lip Luminizer in the shade Fenty Glow. So this is what it looks like. I've already shot like B-roll, which I will probably be showing you guys now anyways, but yeah, this is what it looks like. And through all of the pages she just explains why she loves them. So I will give you like a sentence about why she loves them, and then I will tell you why I love the products that she chose. So she says it's an explosive shine that feels as good as it looks. The lips look instantly fuller and smoother with a non-sticky formula that's super shiny and has an addictive peach vanilla scent you just can't get enough of. And it's 100% cruelty free. Everything that she said is what I think about it, but I would say vanilla peach. I didn't think of that one. I thought it like smelled like strawberry or hubba bubba, like that's my, but it still smells good. My lips look nice and luscious and I feel and I look very good. I know I do. You don't need to tell me, but thank you if you do. So the next item she talks about is By Terry Hyaluronic Hydra Powder. And then what she said is that it has a unique formula and the results mattifies and controls shine, blurs imperfections, fills in fine lines and wrinkles, and sets makeup for longer. Skin looks flawless and perfectly smooth. Now, let me tell you about this one, because honestly, I'm not gonna lie, when I saw the video and she put it on, I was thinking, okay, maybe there just wasn't enough product. That's why it looks so seamless, because there's not enough product on the brush. Like, she's not tapping enough, like there's not enough product. So I was a bit skeptical because I've always used translucent powders that have a white cast, but this one, I was shocked. I was shook because why did it actually mattify my face? I wasn't expecting that, and that's why I was a bit confused because I thought I wasn't using enough product. Like, I even showed you guys on the brush and I put it on my face and I was like, okay, where's the white cast? Because usually when they say translucent powders and that it works on everyone's skin, it doesn't. So I was expecting that, but it really surprised me and it was a pleasant surprise. And this is actually going to be a staple in my makeup routine now because I've been getting into powders more lately. I have an oily T-zone and this helps me a lot, this along with the other powders, but this really sets it off. When I say luxury, some of these products are luxury products that I've never heard of. Without this edit, I would have never gone to go and search for it. I would have just believed for the rest of my life that translucent powders just weren't for me and I wasn't going to use them. I lied. This is a really good product and you should get it. Get this so you can get this for a discounted price. I forgot to even tell you guys that its retail price, like the whole bag, is like 400 and something. I don't even remember the exact amount. I'll probably put it on the screen, but the retail price is 400 and something and she was selling it for like 115. Look at the bag. Would you rather go and buy them all individually or just get the bag? I'd get the bag, but that's just me. I got the bag and I'll stay getting the bag. Amen. So the next one she talks about is the Nars Cool Crush eyeshadow palette. This one's short, so I'm just gonna read it. A limited edition eyeshadow palette featuring 12 captivating shades in matte, shimmer and metallic finishes. This palette is a classic. It has lots of nudes, golds and pink tones to choose from. Perfect for both everyday and evening looks with a slight pop of colour. I don't like venturing out and doing cool and warm, and I just stick to my browns and my glitters, which I basically did in this look again today. I feel like this is the perfect eyeshadow palette to, as she said, venture out into other things. Like if you want to do a day to night look, you can easily do it with this palette. And I'm a person that likes convenience. I like easy, I like living the soft life, so I will do that as much as possible. And this palette just helps you in that way. You don't have to be going from eyeshadow palette to eyeshadow palette. You just have one that you can take along with you because it's actually quite small. It's compact, but it's still big enough to fit in all of the different eyeshadow shades and colors that can make a look. Yeah, and it's very reflective. Like, I will be trying other looks with the eyeshadow stuff, and whenever I do, I always mention that I got it from this edit, just so you guys can save yourself some coin if it's still available. I should even check if it's still available for you guys, like. It is, guys. It's available still. You guys, come on. Be serious and get it. I forgot to mention, well, I don't even think like I was talking about anything that I could have just slipped it in. I did not do skincare. I mainly focused on the makeup aspect of the bag for today, but when I do dive into my skincare routine and my updated skincare routine, then I will be showing you guys the rest of the products and items that I use. Like in other videos, I will be using the products and then I will give you my review on them. But I can say for this Murad Vita-C Triple Exfoliating Facial, she said, I love this vitamin C. Murad always packs their skincare products with lots of active ingredients, and anyone that knows me knows I love a good active ingredient. This baby has all the goodness you need. And you guys have seen from my previous skincare videos, and I think the Vogue skincare video that I did, I showed you guys that I was using the Murad Vita-C eye correcting thing, and I loved that, so I'm not hesitant to try anything that is from Murad, and this one is the full product, baby. So when I try this, I will probably love it anyway, because I love anything vitamin C. I do. It works perfectly with my skin and I love it, because always remember that your skincare is just as important as the makeup you put on your face. So the next product, I'm flipping along with you guys. Okay, and the next, I feel like the next products are skincare. No, the last product isn't, but the next product are. This is the Sunday Riley CEO 15 Vitamin C Brightening Serum 15%. Is how it looks. This product is amazing. I can't stress enough. For brightening and tightening, this serum tops the list for me. The power of vitamin C and retinol working towards a youthful complexion which can be used day and night. If this is combined and I can use it both day and night, hold on, because I might start using this today. Oh, this is so cute. I love this. Look at that. This is so nice. Like, I might throw away. No, I can't, because I spent money on that. It says apply 1 to 2 pumps to clean skin, morning or night. Are you silly? How can you combine everything that I need into one? Stop it, because you should have done this a long time ago. Patricia, you should have released this a long time ago. I wouldn't have had to waste my money. This is a golden product. I love this edit once again, because it's introducing me to things that I wouldn't look for. Wow, I'm so impressed. The next product is the Bea Skincare Recovery Treatment Eye Masks. It's a 6-pack, and she says these Me Time Miracle Eye Masks are perfect for those with sensitive and dry skin types just like mine, bumping any fine lines, and results only get better over time. That's another thing that I can't wait to be using, because when I feel like it's when I do a maintenance vlog or just another glow up video in general, that's when you guys will be seeing me using these products. So I can't wait to do it. I cannot wait to do that. And yeah, the next product is the 111. Oh, I love anything, bro. This is called 111 Skin. She just says, my skin is thirsty, and in just 7 days these concentrates leave my skin feeling plump and moisturized at home. No in-store treatments needed. I was getting so hyped because it's called 111 Skin, and I love that. My angel number is 111, so this is giving luxury. As always, I'm just gonna wait to use this, because I've never used something like this, like capsules where you pop the capsule, break it, put it on your hand, put it on your face. Baby, I love to be simple. I cannot wait to try it. It seems amazing and it seems good and perfect for me. Okay, and this is the final thing in the bag that she gave us. I don't know why I didn't put the Fenty Beauty bag, but the final thing in the bag is the Rodial Mascara XXL Black. Love this mascara. It's really easy to apply, and she said that it's very long lasting. The product is waterproof. Oh gosh, how am I gonna get it off? I love that for me. Doesn't smudge and has no flakiness, leaving your lashes looking voluminous and maximized. Let me tell you, because this is another product that I was like, okay, to me personally, mascaras aren't something that I need to spend a lot of money on. I don't care for them enough. and they haven't shown me enough evidence and enough proof for me to go and buy one specific mascara. Any mascara that I see, I'm like, that is mascara, that is perfectly fine, it works, that's it. It's just there to extend my lashes a bit and just give it that pop of colour. This one though, I was very confused in the video that I shot when I was putting it on, because I was like, why is this actually making a difference? Look at this. I don't think, yeah, you guys can see it. My lashes have never gone over where my eyeliner line is. The thing is, when I use other mascaras, they work and they keep my lashes up, but then after a while, like after I stop brushing them with the brush, they go back down. But these ones, like, they keep my lashes up. So yeah, that's why I really love the product, and I will be using the product more often. I will be alternating as well because I don't like to waste stuff, so I will be alternating and just using the different mascaras that I have. But that is an amazing mascara. Okay, so that is everything that came in this gorgeous bag, and I cannot wait if she makes a edit 3. Third one, I will be there. I wasn't there for the first, but I was there for the second, and I will be there for the third, okay? So yeah, that is all for today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, as always, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Please make sure to comment down below whether or not you will be buying the bag, or anything that you like, that you have. You might just have one of these products. And also, please make sure to subscribe to this channel, and please make sure to turn on your post notifications so that you are notified whenever I post a new video. I just love posting on YouTube, guys, and I just want to say that I'm so thankful and I'm so grateful for all of you. I love all of you and wishing you happiness, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.